In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete previous prompts on Gemini AI. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive in. Gemini AI is a powerful tool that allows you to chat and interact with an AI model. As you use it, you might find that you want to clear out some of your previous prompts. Whether you're looking to start fresh or just tidy up your history, deleting previous prompts is a straightforward process. I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Firstly, start by heading over to Google Search. You can simply use a web browser and type in Google Gemini to get to the right page. Once you're on the search results page, the first click should be on the link that directs you to the Gemini AI interface. Now, once you're on the Gemini AI page, go ahead and type in your initial prompt to get the conversation rolling. This could be anything you want to ask the AI. Once you've entered your prompt, you'll want to look for a section that shows your recent conversations. To find this, look for a tab or option labeled Recent. It's usually easy to spot and will lead you to all of your past interactions. After you've accessed your recent prompts, locate the three dots icon. Clicking on this will present you with a few options related to that particular chat. Now, if you're sure that you want to delete the whole conversation, click on the Delete option. This step is crucial as it will erase everything in that chat session. Once you initiate this, the interface will typically ask for confirmation. Don't skip this part. It's always a good idea to double-check that you really want to delete the history, so go ahead and confirm that deletion. After you've cleared that chat, if you're ready to start a new conversation, look for the New Chat option. Click this to open up a fresh session where you can enter a new prompt or question for Gemini AI. If you're looking for a different way to delete your activity or prompts, you might want to explore the settings. This can usually be found in the user interface. Just take a moment to browse around. Once in the settings, look for something labeled Activity. This lets you delve deeper into your past interactions. After you've clicked on Activity, you should see a list of your past interactions. Here, you might spot a series of options for deleting. Click on the Delete button and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu will give you various options for how far back you want to delete your activity. If, for example, you want to delete everything from the last hour, simply select that option. Remember, keeping your prompts tidy isn't just about organization. It can also help with your overall experience with Gemini AI. By deleting older prompts, you ensure that you're not overwhelmed with past conversations that may no longer be relevant. Isn't that simple? Whether you're cleaning up for better organization or simply for peace of mind, these steps will help you control your interactions with Gemini AI. And be sure to take advantage of the features available in the settings for additional management options. Thanks for watching this tutorial on deleting previous prompts in Gemini AI. If you found this information helpful, remember to subscribe and give this video a like. Happy chatting with Gemini AI, and see you in the next video.